Hi, my name is Patrick. This series of videos is called the Mythbusters. The common myths with regards to MBA and the entrance examinations is what we are trying to clarify. Um, One of the common myth that is there is that if you really want to do a great career in MBA, you have to pass out from the IIMs or maybe the top B schools. So first, let me look at the controversy regarding IIMs. They say that top B school is only IIMs, nothing else. As a matter of fact, I think it's wrong. There are a lot of colleges which are better in some of the IIMs. I mean, if you look at the XLRI, ISB, FMS, SPJN, JBIMS, they are supposed to be among the top 10 colleges in India and are better than most of the newer and the baby IIMs as such, with amazing placements. So if you get into admission to any of these colleges, I mean, you can make a career, good career out of it. It is not that you have to get into a top B school to get into a career. I'll take that whole concept later on, but understand that there are a lot of B schools which are good enough. And don't only look at the IIM tag, because if you look at the top people in most of the industries, could be non-IIMs. I mean, JBIMS is already called as the CEO factories because most of the CEOs are from Bajaj, right? A lot of CEOs are from Bajaj. A lot of people from CEOs are from Bajaj. Same way, if you look at people from FMS, XLR, ISB, they are all holding top position in the industry, which basically means that if you want to make a career, don't just get hung on IIMs. Look at other career options and other career options. Just look at how to get into a good B school and get a right career on that aspect. I mean, for example, if you're looking, it's more important look at what career that you're looking at. For example, if I'm looking at consulting, look at colleges which where consulting come into picture. And if I'm looking at finance, look at companies where finance is good. Same with banking, look at colleges where banking is good. Okay, for example, if I'm really interested in operations management, okay, I would maybe look at NITI and IIT Bombay as good options because they are supposed to be the best for operations. The top companies out there come for NITI, and rather than go to an IIM, maybe a NITI or a IIT Bombay, etc., could be a better option in terms of operations. Same way, if I look at information management course, SPGN is an amazing information management course on par with IIM ABC. So FMS is known for marketing. MDI Gurgaon is known for marketing with amazing career options in those. Bajaj is known for finance with amazing career option in finance. And these options are on par with the top IIMs. So if you want to really do careers, I mean, don't look at necessarily the tag. Look at what career you want to do. Look at which colleges are good for that particular career, and accordingly you look at it. People prefer the top IIMs purely because they're good for almost all the career options and they're known. Tag. I'm not saying that it's bad. It's definitely good. But it's not that if you don't make it to ABC, the other career options are bad, including XLRI, best for HR, but also good for other fields. All the colleges are really good. The way you need to choose forward and the way you need to move forward is don't blindly move in terms of what I want to in terms of brand name. Choose in terms of what career options you want to do. Based on that career option, which colleges are very good, and then you can look at, for example, if I want to do marketing, the best companies in marketing could be the HUL, the Unilever Limited, or PNG, or maybe the Gillette, or the other FMCG companies. So what I'll do next, I look at where these companies visit, which all campuses, and for I know that marketing is good at MDI, so I look at, apart from ABC, I'll also look at the top IIMs. Obviously, I look at FMS, I look at MDI. I know these companies also come maybe to Bajaj, SPJ, etc. So XLRI. So I will apply to these companies because my target is to get make a career in marketing, and to get a career in marketing, I need to get into these companies. So I'll accordingly target these companies by getting into colleges where these companies visit. Yes, there are few industries like the private equity, etc., which is normally only in ABC. Okay, the top this one. But apart from that private equity, most of the other career options you will get into other places as well. Like consulting is also there in other top colleges and so on. So try to look at the career rather than the only IIM as such. And I'm telling you, there are a lot of colleges which are not IIM are still really good as far as career options are concerned. I hope that helps. I've also made a list in terms of the top MBA colleges. If you can go to the list of the top MBA colleges which I made, you will see top non-IIM colleges. You can look at those colleges as career options and you may still get amazing careers after passing out from there. Hope that helps. Thank you.